Allah Almighty is one, and Islam is a true religion. Let's try to explore the truth without assuming any preconceived notion. It is evident that nobody is free to choose his parents, siblings, or other blood relations. Neither can one choose his caste, creed, or color. Intrinsically, nobody is ready to listen to anything beyond his own jurisprudence. Besides, the fact that most of the cultural rituals are influenced by norms and customs of native people. People normally believe in them and follow the religion of their ancestors because they grew up seeing them being followed. They are not usually inquisitive in knowing the reality behind those rituals, and therefore they are not very strong in believing them. Although a few of them dare to inquire and probe into the realities and sources of the beliefs of their ancestors. This lecture discusses the Fitra Argument, along with the design and designer argument, to understand more about the existence of God. Let's start with the Fitra Argument. For the non-believers, the most important factor is to know about the existence of Allah. Fitra Argument provides the proof for the existence of Allah. If there is no God, then the life would be without any rule or principle. There will be no fear of accountability. The concept of right and wrong will face a doomed fate. Finally, the unjust rulers of the world will become the ultimate power, and the principle of might is right will take over. Fitra is the name of the basic instinct of every human. Everybody feels good and bad within himself. Children are born being believers in Allah, but the environment changes their religious values and thinking. It's so natural that if a person remains close to his fitrat, he remains close to God. The disgrace to fitrat results in cruelty, and one ultimately dares to reject his Creator's will and even his very existence. Believing in God is a reflex action, as there is no atheist on a sinking ship. People normally turn to Allah in calamities or hardships, but there exists an innate and a strong desire in all rational beings to think of the Creator. Even without knowing his Creator, he feels eternal love and a great capacity of obedience to his Creator. Now let's move on to the design and the designer argument. Everything around us has been created with a specific design, which is evident of the existence of the designer. As we observe, our planet, the stars, the distant galaxies, and even the whole universe is built on a particular design, which is created by an intelligent authority. The earth is perfectly a suitable place for life to exist, because it has the basic requirements necessary for life. The designer of life knows better about the necessary requirements to ensure creature existence. There also exists a whole universe inside the body of a human. The wonderful systems inside the body work amazingly as every element has a purpose. The human body is full of miracles. For instance, wounds heal automatically. Inside a seed, there is a potential tree. Every creature has a complete and unique DNA of its kind. It shows that these designs are very complicated, which are conceived by an intelligent expert. Naturally, we feel that there exists a designer of this marvelous world and the entities beyond it.